Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Nash from NissanAndInfinitiFans07Guy here. Today, let's take an in-depth look at this 2010 Toyota Camry LE. This is not the 4-cylinder. This is not the V6. This one is a 4-cylinder. This evening, I will show you guys full in-depth tour and walk around the Camry. I will start up, show the engine, and pop the hood, show you the inside of this Camry and the outside of the car. I do like this generation. The best generation I like that Camry is the 2002 to 2006. This one, his body style ran from 2007 to 2011. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and start it up. Let it run. Color of the exterior is green with the grayish cloth interior. This one is a US model, by the way, because this one is actually from US. This car was made in September of 2009, which is an early 2010 model year. Switch is broke. Move the seat back. Now take a key. Now fire it up. This car only has 103,898 miles. This is actually Now fire it up. Fire is right up. 4-spoke design steering wheel. This one is worn. Coming to a transmission, I think it's a 5-speed or 6-speed automatic. If I correct me if I'm wrong, I think it's 5-speed or 6-speed with manual shifter. It has a backup camera. If I don't know if it does have backup camera. Emergency brake is located down there. It's foot operated. Nice. So let's count on the headlights. They're automatic as well as the hazards. Our 4 windows are automatic. Let's check out the exterior, shall we? My cousin used to have a 2008 Camry hybrid. It was a golden, but he had it since around 2012-ish, I think, 2012, and they got rid of it back in 2021. And story. This one, who had that car, he bought it in summer of 2022. This wheels are hubcaps wheels missing, all three. On the right side, we have a one hubcap back here, because the other wheels are missing. LED brake light. I correct me if I'm wrong. Yes, it has this wheels is riding on Firestone wheels, I think. I was supposed to do a 2014 Camry. Apparently, I won't do review because once they move this part better, because when I do it, they won't let me do startup and review. So I'm going to show you guys this one. This one is a 2010 model. This one is actually a US model, by the way, because this one is actually a US model. It's imported from US because the odometer is now in miles, including a small motor miles per hour. As you can see, some scratch down there. We open the gas. Here's a lockable. Now pop the hood. Pop the hood. Here, hold on for a second. There's a latch here. Under the hood, you have a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder. The battery. It's shaky. The filter, alternator. Now close it up. Alright, now I'm gonna review the inside. Okay. Power windows, power door lock, power mirrors. I don't know if they work. That is broken. It has power mirrors, your storage, traction control, full power driver seat, power recline, and 2-way power lumbar. And it has manual tilt telescoping steering wheel. Just showing you. Now it does have telescope steering wheel. Now I'm gonna review the inside. Now climate control. AC. That max AC. Different zone. Heated windshield. Please leave the AC on for warm. AM, FM with CD player, and it has auxiliary input. Won't get copyright. Where is it? Yeah.
Welcome to Get the Dirt. I'm your host, Doug Spade. Ready to dig in, Ivy?
I'll take backyard dig for 500.
Okay.
Here's
a small tree.
Here's your armrest.
Buy one, Tim.
You're my kind
Storage.
of treasure, but that's incorrect.
This car only has auxiliary input and power outlet.
Before you dig. That's correct. It's the law to submit a locate request through Ontario.
It has auxiliary input
before
too,
digging for any size project.
which is nice.
I'm Doug Spade, reminding you that we all win when you
Cup holder.
before you dig.
Along with the storage.
Listen to traffic and weather together every 10 minutes on the ones.
As you navigate
In the storage.
680 is there with you.
Here's your map lights.
Well, you probably
Sunglass
thought
storage,
the two
manual
key
doing
US
review mirror.
executives caught on camera at a Coldplay concert would have made their way out of the news cycle by now, but no.
Here's your armrest.
In their story today, the HR
Right here.
executive has stepped down.
Temperature gauge, tachometer, speedometer, and a fuel gauge.
Went to a Coldplay concert
Nice.
that changed her life forever.
Headlights turn
That's because
signal.
She was caught on camera cuddling with the CEO of her company. When the two
Nice.
realized they were on the big screen, she turned away
And
and ducked.
coming to the windshield, there's a wiper,
Resigned, her CEO, Andy Byron,
low
stepped down
speed,
last week. Howard
and high
Lutz,
speed.
senior partner at the Toronto employment
Nice.
law firm
It's
11
pretty much
LLP,
basically you want nothing to
says if
see.
that happened
That's
in Canada, it would
nothing to
almost
see.
certainly be
So
cause
yeah.
for discharge.
Both because of
So yeah.
having the relationship in the
So
first
yeah.
place and
I
disclosing
know.
the workplace, but also because
And here's your digital clock right there.
to have a
This is actually a US model, by the way, because
do things that damage your employer's reputation. Even if you do it off hours,
Nice.
off site, it's cause for discharge.
Levitt says if
All
you're
right,
planning
now-
on having an office
now check out the
program,
outside.
disclose it right away.
Move out of the way,
I'll
Mom.
let you know.
Let's check out the back seat. Windows.
When you stay at a Ronald McDonald House, close to your
Just
sick
stay out of the way.
family is medicine. And right now, it's helping women battle leukemia. We need
Storage.
your help
This
to
is
keep
storage for
families
that
together.
rear
Please
That's it.
donate
Your
today
storage.
at rmhc.ca.
Your armrest.
How did
Very
Babbel
nice.
become the award-winning language learning app? We thought of you. All of you. Take Sierra. As a visual learner, she uses
Turn
Babbel's
off
word.
this AC
Today I'll share a quick lesson on shopping with friends.
because the window is down.
Malcolm is a listening learner, so he checks with Babbel's speech recognition to be.
Let's open the trunk. I like this Camry body style. This one is ran from 2007 to 2011 model. This was body style it ran. I do like that one. I like the V6 better. I would rather go V6 than actually and hybrid. Here's your trunk. There's a lot of stuff back here. Doesn't fold. This might be an understory. Just a lot of stuff back here. I want to show you guys what's underneath. So yeah. Close the trunk. Windows. Windows, lock,
storage issues at its Quebrada
storage.
Blanca mine in Chile. Meanwhile, Teck has extended the life of its Highland Valley copper
Yeah,
mine in
even the
British
storage
Columbia,
too.
Canada's largest, by about 18 years to 2046. Teck shares closed 6% lower. But overall, North American markets gained this week amid a solid earnings season and hopes for U.S. trade deals. TSX was 122 points, 0.5%.
Your sun visors.
Up 208. S&P
I
up
already
25.
mentioned earlier.
Nasdaq was up
That
50. Record closing highs today for the TSX, S&P, and Nasdaq. The dollar was down 35 100s at 72.98 cents U.S.
Pretty
Oil
nice.
down $1.6503 a barrel. Gold down $36 at
Now I'm going to
33.95
shut it
an
off.
ounce. At the business center, I'm Richard Denver. Your style, your comfort, your space to truly feel at home. We're here to help you create room.
Now go get. Now let's turn it off. All right, now let's get to a conclusion. Well, hope you enjoy an in-depth look and walk around at this 2010 Toyota Camry LE. This is NissanAndInfinitiFans07Guy signing off. Thanks for watching and goodbye.